Yes, BX-23 has arrived earlier than I thought. My buyers are going to be very happy. I'm going to pack some of the earliest pre-orders now before I open up my own set. Wait, what are these? These are the special souvenirs I've mentioned in my previous videos. I haven't given it a name. I'll refer to it as flashcards first. So this Beyblade is Phoenix Wing 960GF and attack type. Right Spin Bay, and the owner is Burn Fujiwara. I printed them on good quality cards with a matte finish. For my buyer's collection, not for sale. Just like Takara Tomy's rare version base. I also have limited edition cards for buyers to pull. These limited cards are printed on fragmented holographic film, including the back. We'll see who are the 3 lucky buyers soon. This privilege is exclusive to pre-orders. You'll receive a card related to the item you pre-ordered, 1 card for each item. But provided I manage to get them done in time, just like this round. Otherwise, you'll only get them randomly, 1 per order. I have prepared at least 20 designs to be given out starting from 1st of January. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. So if you have a better name than flashcards, please let me know in the comments. Oh yes, and because this is a more expensive set, I would like to include the red wristband as another free gift, 1 per item. But that's not all. During our year-end sale, buyers who spend a certain amount and purchase at least 2 items will receive our Extreme Stadium storage bid. I need to speed up a bit, because I want to ship out some of the earliest pre-orders today. However, for my viewers, I'll sneak a peek into the cards to find out who got the limited version. Matte finish. I hope this buyer will still be happy to receive it. Let's see if the next buyer will get. Matte finished. Still looks pretty cool, isn't it? I hope the next buyer will get it. Moment of truth. Yay! It's the limited edition. Do any of you actually prefer the matte finish over the shimmering version? Okay, we still have 2 more limited edition cards to be pulled. Wow, another limited edition. Didn't expect it to be so soon, since we only have one left. Let me fast forward until we reach the buyer who gets it. After that, I'll be opening up my own set to show you what's inside. Yup, you got the last one. I can't wait to unbox my own set. I have a feeling this will be my favorite Beyblade X-Bay. Red is my favorite color.